I have not used this in so freaking long. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. We're about to just sit here, hang out, and get ready. I have been loving these just chill, get ready with me videos, and you guys have been loving them too. So we're about to do another one today. And today, we are going to use a ton of MAC Cosmetics. Y'all, I have some OG favorites in this box, and I want to thank the team over at MAC Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. I am so happy to be working with MAC, you guys. So freaking happy. So I'm gonna create something. I don't know what I want to do, but we're gonna do everything using MAC Cosmetics today. So let's get into it. I'm gonna quickly put on a little bit of SPF, and then we are gonna dig into the box and put on some of this makeup. Comment down below if you guys have a favorite. I asked this on Twitter the other week, but what is your favorite MAC Cosmetics foundation? Because I want to know. And the one that I'm using today is the Studio Fix Fluid with SPF 15. I don't know if it was this one, like this specific one, but my very first liquid foundation that's not like that wasn't from the drugstore was MAC Cosmetics. I remember to this day, I went to the MAC counter to get matched and get my makeup done. And y'all, I have the concealer, like my very first concealer from MAC in this box. It's just taking me so far back. But yeah, I am going to be using NC50. And I think this is my shade. I haven't used this in a good minute, so I'm thinking this is going to be my shade. But let me do my brows. Y'all know I do my brows first. So I went ahead and picked up the eyebrows styler, and this is in the shade Spiked. I have the very first one. I just can't find it. But y'all remember, I know y'all remember Spiked. But this one is their newer one. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the brows. So I'm glad that it came with a spoolie. Let me go ahead and fix the brows really quick. Oh, wow. Okay, so the original brow pencil, like the one that they had years ago, you can't twist it down. But this one, you can twist it down, which I like, because the other one, if you twisted it up too much, you were not, like you couldn't twist it down. But I'm glad that this one, you're able to twist it down. Now, all of the products that I'm using today from MAC Cosmetics, you are able to purchase them online on maccosmetics.com. And if you shop online, there's actually a few benefits of shopping on MAC Cosmetics. So a few of those include free returns. You get free samples with all orders. If you buy online, you're able to pick up in store. There's also a program that they have. It's called the MAC Lover Loyalty Program. And with that, once you start shopping, you're able to start getting points right away. And girl, let me just say, if you shop on MAC Cosmetics, you're gonna definitely wanna be a part of the MAC Lover Loyalty Program, because girl, there are so many benefits. You get exclusive deals, early access, free gifts, and so much more. Oh my gosh, y'all. And if you want to try on some of their products, they actually have a virtual try-on feature on their website. So say if you want to try on one of their foundations, you can actually try it on without, you know, having to go in the store, which is really, really cool. And they actually have that feature with most of their products. Y'all know I like to put on a concealer to carve out the brows. So I have a concealer in here that I have not used in forever. Well, I have two concealers in this box. One of them is the Studio Fix Concealer SPF 35. This is the one that I'm going to use to kind of clean up under my brows. And I got the shade NC45. I tried to remember what shades I used to use back in the day. So hopefully, you know, I got the right shades. But this is what this looks like. I'm just going to take a small little slanted brush and pick up some of that product and carve out under my brows just like this. So I grabbed this primer. It's the Studio Fix Mattifine 12 Hour Shine Control Primer. This was actually a recommendation. I want to try this out today and see if I like it. I usually just get really oily right here on my T-zone. So that's where I'm pretty much just going to focus the primer. So it comes in a squeeze tube, just like this. Squirt some out. Put it right here on my T-zone. Smile lines, my chin. Okay. All right, so let me know if you guys have tried this out before. Yeah, again, it's called the MAC Studio Fix Mattifine 12-Hour Shine Control Primer. So now let's take the foundation and put it on. Y'all, this is just like nostalgic to me. Like, I have not used this in so freaking long. Let's see. So this foundation has 24-hour wear. It's a buildable full matte coverage foundation with oil shine control. That right there is gonna be perfect for my oily combination skin. I'm just gonna empty a little bit out on my hand. All right, so I got some out. And let's apply her on the face. Oh yeah, I think this is a good match. Oh yes, this is like perfect. Perfect. Oh, look at that finish, y'all. Y'all know I like me a foundation that looks natural. And that's definitely what this is giving right now. Like really, really natural finish. Look at that, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit closer to the lens so y'all can really see the finish of this foundation. Very pretty and natural, you guys. So beautiful and natural, and I love it. All right, so next I have my first concealer from MAC Cosmetics. Y'all, when I say I am so excited to crack this open, this is the Pro Longwear Concealer, and I got the shade NC45, just like with the Studio Fix concealer. Y'all, I didn't know what I was doing back in the day when I had this, but I just knew I had me a MAC Cosmetic concealer. Like, you couldn't tell me nothing, girl. You couldn't tell me nothing. So now that I have it, and now that I like actually know how to do makeup, I'm just so excited to crack this open and start using it. So it does come with a little pump. This is how she looks. Super cute little glass bottle. I'm gonna pump out a couple of squirts on my hand, and I'm gonna take a little brush and just apply it where I usually apply my concealer. So under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Just from applying this concealer, I forgot how creamy this stuff was. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is crazy. This is so crazy. I forgot how good this was. This just took me all the way back. It's almost like this is a first impression, even though I've used this concealer before, I've used this foundation before. It's just been years. But just seeing it now, like actually, you know, using it now is mind-blowing, because I forgot how freaking good their complexion products were. Okay, this is actually gonna be new to me. This is the MAC Cosmetics setting powder. This is their invisible set powder. Never used any of their setting powder. Well, I take that back. I've tried their Mineralized Skinfinish, which I'm gonna be using today, but this we are about to give a try and see how we like it. So here's the container. Open her up. All right, so I shook it up, got some at the top, and I'm gonna take my sponge and set my concealer with it. This looks nice. Like airbrushed. Look at that, y'all. Like, it looks almost like a filter is on my face. and it doesn't look too white. Like, I mean, it does say it's invisible, but it still kind of gives me a little bit more of a brightened under eye, but it's not too much. Like, it is the perfect amount of brightness under the eyes. Wow. And the powder itself is really finely milled. It's like super fluffy and soft. It's not gritty. Very nice. So we are about to use another one of my OG MAC cosmetic products. This is the Mineralized Skinfinish, and I use the shade Dark Deepest. This is what I'm gonna put all over my face just to really set that the liquid foundation. So right in those areas that I didn't put any of that loose setting powder. Okay, so I did my bronzer off camera. I don't own a bronzer from MAC Cosmetics, but now let's do some eyeshadow. This is the MAC Cosmetics Art Library. This one is the Flamboyant. So it's a really pretty neutral, warm eyeshadow palette. Y'all know that's like up my alley. So this is how it looks. Perfect for this season, the fall season. Look how pretty the warm shades are. I'm gonna be doing a bold lip, so I don't want to do too much on the eyes. So let's go in with this shade right here in the corner. And we are gonna put this color on the outer corner of the lid. Ooh, these are pigmented. MAC Cosmetics has good eyeshadows. I just haven't used them in a while either. But yeah, this is really pigmented. I'm just packing it on the outer corner of my lid, just like that. I want to go into the darker shade right up under it, right here, and kind of do the same thing, but I want to kind of make it a little bit darker. Yeah, I like that. So kind of layering those colors to make it appear a little bit darker. Like that. Now I'm gonna go with this shade right here. Right here. I'm gonna put my finger in it so y'all can see it. I think this will be cute on the lid, so let's see how it looks. Oh yeah. So I'm just applying it right here in the inner corner and taking it on the lid to kind of blend into that other shade that we used, but I'm not taking it all over to the other side. I'm just putting it halfway, and I'm tapping it in too. I'm not, you know, blending it. I'm just tapping it. Ooh, that looks good. All right, let's do the lashes and I'll be back. So we're done with the eyes. Now I'm just gonna buff away this loose powder on my face. Okay, y'all, we have lip products from MAC Cosmetics. Y'all, MAC Cosmetics is the #1 lipstick brand in the world. If you are familiar with Ruby Woo, this is one of their most popular shades. This is a classic red. This is perfect for the holidays. Let me show it to you really quick if you haven't seen it. Ruby Woo, girl. Get you a Ruby Woo. If you don't have this in your collection, you need it. The finish of this is a matte, so this is their retro matte lipstick. Is so pretty on the lips. I'm actually going to be using a lipstick out of their holiday set. So this one is one of the sets from their Hypnotizing Holiday Collection, which is available right now on MACcosmetics.com. This is the Ultimate Trick Mini Lipstick Vault. So it has 12 mini lipsticks in it. I think I want to use one of these at the very end. I think I'm going to do this one in the middle, or maybe this one at the very end. I don't know. Let's see. We have Diva and Rebel. So one of these I want to do. Let's do Rebel. Let's see. Okay. All right, we are done. This is the final look, and I like it. I like how it's still a soft glam, but with a bold lip. I think the bold lip just ties so well with the entire look. It just looks so good. So let me know if you guys have tried any of these MAC Cosmetic products. I will have them linked down below for you guys if you're interested in trying them out. If you have tried them, what are your thoughts on the products? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I also want to know, what are your favorite MAC Cosmetic products? So let's talk about that down below in the comments as well. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you again to the team over at MAC Cosmetics for working with me in today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one.